I want to replace the vent here under the undercolumn cover. So what I did is I just took a straight screwdriver, these plastic screws, just unscrew them, they come right out. Turn and come right out. Then you flip the cover over, and you want to pull these tabs out. You can either use a pair of pliers, or sometimes if you push on the vent from the opposite side, they come out. I'm going to go ahead and just use a pair of pliers and then show you what I did next. Okay. Just going to pull the vent out next. Again, just be mindful of those plastic sponges. And then the new vent is just going to slide in here. And you're going to put your sponges back in. And your clips are going to go back in next. Okay, so I got a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'm just going to wiggle them out. There's the plastic sponges that are here. You want to take those out as well with the vent. Make sure you don't lose those. Slide this in. Put those little foam pieces back in. And then I'm going to put my clips back in. And I'm going to push these back in and kind of get them in flush. So when you get the cover back on, just make sure that these grooves here match up with the openings. You'll see that it's on both sides there too, on the cover plate. So once that's lined up, you're going to put those two screws in, one there and one over there, and it's those plastic ones. You're just going to turn those in with the screwdriver. So it's just like a half turn basically. You don't want to overturn it or else you're going to break the plastic.